welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hala, nakakapanibago. For today's video, I guess, alam nyo na because of the title, pero I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do the clean girl makeup look, yung very trendy ngayon sa TikTok. Say hi to Chiki. And ayun, without further ado, let's get started. Ay, na-miss ko sabihin yun. So, let's start. So, for the clean girl na makeup look, it's just like a natural, everyday makeup look. Pero napansin ko sa kanila that they really focus on the skin base. Like, sobrang smooth ng base nila, ganyan. So, ngayon, mag-skin prep tayo. And the first product that I will be using is my moisturizer. This one is the Puncam Yule Calming Moisture Barrier Cream. Guys, ito yung ginagamit ko na moisturizer for how many months na? I think 4 months na. As in, I know, bawas na bawas ko na siya. And I super love this moisturizer because it has tea tree extract and cica in it that can help calm down your skin, especially if you have pimples. Like right now, I have some pimples right here kasi malapit na yung period ko. So, talagang normal sa akin na magkaroon ng mga pimples. It doesn't feel sticky and it really is moisturizing sa face, pero it does not feel heavy. It does not feel oily. And this one is also cruelty-free. So, if you're looking for a cruelty-free moisturizer, this might be for you. Guys, next product that I will apply on my face is, of course, sunscreen. Sunscreen is something na hindi talaga nawawala sa routine ko. Mapa skincare routine, mapa makeup routine, lagi akong may sunscreen. And I'm using the Benton Airfit UV Defense Sun Cream. And ito, guys, mauubos ko na to, as in konting gamit ko na lang to, ubos ko na siya. And what I like about this is 2-in-1 siya. Like, hindi lang siya sunscreen, it's also an acne treatment because this also contains centella or cica, which is like one of my favorite ingredients when it comes to skincare. Kasi talagang nag-work sila sa akin when it comes to healing my pimples, like removing dark spots, mga ganyan. Guys, this sunscreen also has niacinamide, which is like a very common ingredient that can really help with acne. Guys, this sunscreen does not feel greasy, it does not feel heavy on the skin, and ayan, sobrang ganda ng glow na nabibigay sa skin ko. Now, we're gonna move on to my makeup base. For my base, I'm using the Issey & Co Skin Tint, Active Skin Tint, and this one is in the shade Hazel MW3. Ayan, i-blend ko lang siya using this sponge, and I just sprayed some of this Clutch Flame na TLC spray. So, here is my base. Huwag kayong mabother kung sobrang shiny niya or sobrang glowy niya because later on, I'm gonna set this with powder. Huwag kayong mabother. Huwag kayong matakot, guys. Okay? Trust the process. Next step on my routine, guys, is putting on concealer. I'm gonna use the Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint in the shade 21. And I swear, this concealer is my holy grail concealer talaga. Guys, I'm gonna go in with another gradient tint from Get Ready With Me, and this one is in the shade 33 Toffee, and this one I use it to bronze up my face. Sobrang nagustuhan ko to for bronzing kasi it's very blendable nga and sobrang ganda ng finish niya. For my brush, I'm gonna use this one. This one is from Shopee. Ito yung nabudol ako ni Ate Tony Sia dito. This is the Sephora Pro Diffuser Brush. And guys, next up is blush. Sobrang naging trendy ngayon ng mga cream liquid blushes. And I have here the blush that I'm gonna use today. And this one is the NARS Liquid Blush in the shade. Lalagay ko na lang sa screen. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this. Pero sa screen ko na lang lalagay yung shade name. Pero ayan, naglagay lang ako sa likod ng kamay ko. And I'm using this brush. This one is from Shopee as well. Okay ko lang siya dyan. And as you can see, it's like a baby pink blush. Ito talaga yung shade na gusto ko ngayon when it comes to blushes. Guys, before I move on to the next step, I just quickly want to share something with you. And this is one of my holy grail skincare products lately. And it's actually one of my empties. As in, ubos na ubos ko na tong cleanser na to. And this one is from Hamish. This one is the All Clean Green Foam Cleanser. And this is pH 5.5. So, low pH cleanser siya. Which means, it's non-stripping, it's non-drying on the skin. And this is perfect for all skin types. Sobrang gusto ko to kasi it doesn't have any fragrance. It's cruelty-free. So, sobrang gustong-gusto ko tong cleanser na to. And guys, bago ko pa to i-try, nanood na ako ng mga reviews ng other YouTubers about it. And they said na this is like a good dupe for other expensive cleansers out there. So if you want an affordable alternative, I highly recommend the Heimish All Clean Green Foam. As in, sobrang worth the hype tong cleanser na to. And now guys, going back to my makeup look, I'm gonna proceed with my powder. And this one is my OG powder talaga. If you've been watching my makeup tutorials, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. And this one is the Innisfree No Sebum powder. And guys, ever since then, sobrang gusto ko na tong powder na to. Kasi kapag sinaset ko yung makeup ko with this, it does not look matte na flat. Alam niyo yun, yung matte na mukhang dry, ganyan. And ito rin actually guys, yung gamit ko nung junior high school pa ako, grade 7, hindi naman grade 7, grade 9, grade 8. Ito yung powder na gamit ko lagi. As in, ito, tapos lip tint. Yun yung makeup look ko nung high school ako. So, I mean, high school pa rin naman ako ngayon. Pero, senior high na ako. Pero, basta ang dami kong dada. Basta yun. Ito yung gamit ko dating powder. And, ayan, naset niya na yung face ko. I'm also going to set my bronzer and my blush. And I'm gonna use the Hoola by Benefit na bronzer. And now, I'm gonna move on to my powdered blush. And eto guys, sobrang favorite ko rin to. This one is by BYS. And this is their blusher. Yun lang nakalagay dito. This is their blusher in the shade Crystal Pink. And nasabi ko nga kanina sa inyo na I've been loving yung parang mga baby pink na shades. And tingnan nyo naman to, literal na baby pink siya. Pero wag kayong matakot na baka sabihin nyo, parang bakit ganyan yung shade ng blush mo, ganyan. And nilalagay ko siya dito talaga, dito sa, dyan ko siya nilalagay. And now guys, hindi na ako magkikilay kasi sobrang kapal na ng kilay ko talaga. As in, natural kilay ko yan. Talagang ganyan siya kakapal. And now guys, I'm gonna move on to highlighter. I'm gonna use this one. This one is from Dior. Ito yung binili ko nung birthday ko. Ito yung birthday gift ko sa sarili ko. And ayun, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko kasi sayang naman yung pera ko kung hindi ko siya gagamitin, diba? Pag mixin ko lang sila, konti-konti lang. And then, lalagay ko sila dito. By the way, this brush is also from Shopee. I'm just gonna link it down below. And now, guys, we are on our last step, which is the lips. And tatanggalin ko lang yung lip balm ko. Kasi nag-lip balm ako kanina kasi ang dry ng lips ko. And then, for my lips, I'm gonna use this Peripera Ink Velvet in the shade 27 Strawberry Nude, if I'm not mistaken. A-apply ko lang to sa gitna. Then, isa-spread ko siya using my finger. And, ayan, diba sobrang perfect yung kulay ng blush ko with the lip tint. Kasi, tingnan mo, parang talagang nagmamatch yung shade range nilang dalawa, which I love kasi ano ba? Guys, this next step is optional, pero I like putting gloss on top of my lip tint. And this one is from Glitzbish. Ito yung collab nila with Ate Kila Kush, if I'm not mistaken. And this one is in the shade Kila. So, ayan. Guys, before we end this video, I quickly want to say na lahat ng mga products na ginamit ko, I will be linking them down below. And yung mga skincare products na minention ko, yung sunscreen, yung moisturizer, and yung cleanser ko, actually, tingnan nyo, matchy-matchy sila. Pero all of these products are actually available on Shopee, on creators.ph, and also on Lazada. And guys, on March 27, which is Lazada's birthday sale, these skincare products will be on sale with other 3C products, so go check them out. I swear, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko mga products na talagang nakatulong with my skin problems. So, ayun, I will be linking them down below na lang in yung other details niya para mas malinawan kayo. Pero, ayun, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. And, ayun, bye guys! See you on my next vlog. Bye!